So you want to know how to explain the Trinity? Well, I'm going to give you a very detailed explanation of the Trinity with no analogies. This person is saying, how can three persons make up one being? First, we have to stop thinking of a person as a being. Person does not mean being. In the context of the Trinity, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit are all distinct persons because they possess the qualities of personhood, such as rationality, self-awareness, and the ability to make choices. However, they are one being because they share in the same divine essence or nature. So according to the Trinity, there is one God who eternally exists in three distinct persons. This means that there is one divine essence that is being shared by all three persons. Now, these three persons are distinct in the role that they play in the redemption of man. The Father's role primarily is he is the source and the initiator of salvation. The Son's role is the redeemer of humanity. And the Holy Spirit's role is the sanctifier and the empowerer of the believer. We do not believe in three gods, rather we believe in three distinct persons who share in one divine nature that is God.